Good afternoon, dear students. Myself, Yogesh Kanade, lecturer at Dure Charitable Societies Institute of Pharmacy, Devpur, Dure. In previous video, we have seen the definition of antibiotics and classification of antibiotics. It has been classified by three ways. First one, depending upon antimicrobial spectrum. Second one, depending upon mechanism of action. And the third one was depending upon the chemical structure, that is the basic ring which is present in the drug. According to that, it has been classified. Now in today's lecture, we will see the first important class, that is beta-lactam antibiotics. The first important class which you are going to see today, that is your beta-lactam antibiotics. It is containing two class of drugs. One is penicillins and second one, that is cephalosporins. Both the drugs, that is penicillins and cephalosporins, have the same mechanism of action. Both of them, that is penicillins as well as cephalosporins, interfere or inhibit the growth of microorganisms by inhibiting the biosynthesis of bacterial cell wall. How it takes place, we will see in detail. Beta-lactam antibiotics prevent the normal synthesis of bacterial cell wall by selectively inhibiting the synthesis of mucopeptide in the bacterial cell wall of multiplying bacteria. The bacterial cell wall construction and cell division continues, and after cell division it produces defective bacterial cell wall due to absence of a mucopeptide. Penicillins and or cephalosporins produces defective cell wall formation, and it makes them more susceptible to death. Thus, the bacterial cell wall is going to swell, and at one stage, the bursting of the cell wall is going to take place. It is a very simple mechanism of action. Beta-lactam antibiotics काय करतात? बॅक्टेरियाचे नॉर्मल सेल वॉल ग्रोथसाठी त्याला एक सबस्टन्स लागतो, दॅट इज नोन एज म्युकोपेप्टाइड. बीटा-लॅक्टम अँटीबायोटिक्स काय करतात? जो म्युकोपेप्टाइड सबस्टन्स आहे त्याची ग्रोथ इनिबिट करते. मग ती ग्रोथ जर इनिबिट झालं तर जी सेल वॉल तयार होणार आहे ती काय राहणार आहे? ती डिफेक्टिव्ह सेल वॉल असेल. डिफेक्टिव्ह सेल वॉल असल्यामुळे एका स्टेजला तो जो काही बॅक्टेरियल सेल आहे तो बॅक्टेरियल सेल एक मजबूत सेल वॉल नसल्यामुळे तो सेल काय होईल? स्वेल होणार आहे, म्हणजे सुजेल. स्वेल झाल्यानंतर जर एखादी गोष्ट एक लिमिटच्या बाहेर जर स्वेल झाली तर आपल्याला माहिती पुढे जाऊन त्याचं काय होणार आहे? बर्स्ट होतं. याचं सिंपल एक्झाम्पल दॅट इज युअर बलून. बलून मध्ये ज्यावेळेस आपण हवा भरतो तर एक लेवल पर्यंत आपण त्याच्यामध्ये हवा भरू शकतो. त्याच्यामध्ये जर एक्सेस हवा भरली तर काय होईल? तो बर्स्ट होणार आहे. तो एक बलून काय होईल? बर्स्ट होईल. त्याचप्रमाणे म्युकोपेप्टाइड ऍब्सेंट असल्यामुळे डिफेक्टिव्ह सेल वॉल तयार होते. त्यामुळे जो बॅक्टेरियल सेल आहे तो बॅक्टेरियल सेल काय होईल? स्वेल होईल आणि बर्स्ट होईल. बर्स्ट झालं म्हणजे काय? द बॅक्टेरियल सेल डेथ इज गोइंग टू टेक प्लेस. This is the mechanism of action of your beta-lactam antibiotics, that is penicillins or cephalosporins. Now let us start with the first class, that is your penicillins. In today's lecture we are going to just do the study of only penicillin class. The first one, that is source. Penicillin is obtained or extracted from Penicillium notatum and Penicillium chrysogenum. These are the two microorganisms from which you can get a penicillin. Now what is Penicillium notatum and Penicillium chrysogenum? This is your fungi. That means penicillins are obtained from fungi, that is Penicillium notatum or Penicillium chrysogenum. Now, if you see the chemistry of penicillin, this is the basic structure of your penicillin. Now, first point, penicillins having beta-lactam ring. This is your beta-lactam ring, that is a 4-membered cyclic amide structure. This is your beta-lactam ring. Cyclic 4-membered ring. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4 position. Therefore, 4-membered. Cyclic structure, therefore cyclic, and amide. This is your amide. This is your beta-lactam ring. It is fused with a thiazolidine ring. This is your thiazolidine ring. See, the name itself, zolidine जेव्हा आपण वापरतो जेव्हा 5-membered saturated ring असेल. See, in this ring there is an absence of double bond. Therefore, the name ends with olidine. Thia, that is for sulfur. Aza, that is for your nitrogen, and unsaturated ring. Therefore, the name is thiazolidine ring. This beta-lactam ring is fused with a thiazolidine ring in such a way that adjacent carbon atom, this adjacent nitrogen and adjacent carbon atoms of both the ring are common to each other, and it gives a bicyclic ring that is named as penum. This is your penum ring. Now, first point काय आहे की पेनिसिलिन्स मध्ये एक बीटा लॅक्टम रिंग प्रेझेंट आहे, ती थायझोलिन रिंग सोबत फ्यूज होते. अशा प्रकारे फ्यूज झाली आहे की जो ऍडजस्टंट नायट्रोजन आणि कार्बन आयटम दोघं रिंग मध्ये प्रेझेंट आहे, तर दोघं रिंगला सेम आहे. सो दिस युअर ऍडजस्टंट कार्बन आयटम्स अँड nitrogens are common to both the rings. This is the structure of penum. This is your first point. Second one, the fused rings, that is A. We have named both the rings, that is A and B. These fused rings A and B are not in one plane, but it has been folded at C5 and N4 axis. इथे जर स्ट्रक्चर बघितलं आपण ह्या स्ट्रक्चरवरून सांगू शकतो की हे स्ट्रक्चर एका प्लेन मध्ये, पण इन रियालिटी जर आपण पेनिसिलिनचं जर 3D स्ट्रक्चर जर बघितलं तर 3D स्ट्रक्चर म्हणून आपल्याला लक्षात येईल की पेनिसिलिन स्ट्रक्चर एक प्लेन मध्ये नाहीये. कार्बन आयटम जो 5th पोझिशनला प्रेझेंट आहे आणि नायट्रोजन आयटम जो 4th पोझिशनला प्रेझेंट आहे, या ठिकाणी रिंग काय फोल्डेड रिंग आहे. सेकंड वन, carboxylic acid group is present at 3rd position. So this is your 3rd position where carboxylic acid group is present. Amide group is present at 6th position. This is your amide group which is present at the 6th position. 2 methyl groups are present at C4 position. See, 2 methyl groups are present at 2nd position in the ring. C2 म्हणजे काय, रिंग मधली कार्बन जो 2nd पोझिशनला त्या ठिकाणी 2 मिथिल ग्रुप्स प्रेझेंट आहे. आणि जी साइड चेन अटॅच आहे, बेन्झाइल पेनिसिलिनचं जर स्ट्रक्चर असेल तर 2 फिनिल ऍसिटामाइड अटॅच होतो. पेनिसिलिन बी जर असेल तर 2 फिनॉक्सी ऍसिटामाइड, एम्पिसिलिन जर असेल तर 2 अमाइनो 2 फिनिल ऍसिटामाइड. In detail, we will see the structures in later on, that is benzyl penicillin, penicillin B, ampicillin, etc. This is the chemistry of penicillins. Now, degradation of penicillins. First one, penicillin if given by an oral route, it is unstable in acidic pH as well as it is unstable in basic pH also. Therefore, penicillins cannot be given by oral route. Penicillin तुम्ही oral route ने देऊ शकत नाही का? The reason is that natural penicillins are acid base unstable. Instability in acid media precludes their oral administration due to highly acidic pH in stomach. At acidic pH, a molecular rearrangement takes place in the basic structure of penicillin and there is a formation of phenylic acid which is totally inactive form. Inactive means it does not have a therapeutic effect. In the same way, at basic pH, penicillin molecule gets converted to penicilloic acid, which is again an inactive form but does not have a therapeutic effect. Even if given by oral route, certain penicillins are destroyed by microorganisms like Penicillinase or beta-lactamase. Penicillinase or beta-lactamase. Certain strains of microorganisms can destroy beta-lactam antibiotics or penicillins enzymatically. These enzymes are known as penicillinase or beta-lactamase. They open the beta-lactam bond. The difference in the susceptibility to the beta-lactamase or penicillinase enzymes depend upon the nature of the side chain present at C6 position. जो C6 position ला amide group आहे त्याला कोणते ग्रुप्स प्रेझेंट आहे, कोणती साइड चेन प्रेझेंट आहे त्याच्यावर डिपेंड करतं की जो पेनिसिलिनस एन्झाइम आहे किंवा बीटा लॅक्टमेज एन्झाइम आहे whether it is going to have the ability to degrade the penicillins or not. For example, benzyl penicillin can be degraded by enzyme penicillinase or beta lactamase, but ampicillin cannot be degraded by penicillinase or beta lactamase. This is degradation of penicillins. Now penicillins are again subclassified into different classes. First one, natural penicillins. Example, benzyl penicillin or penicillin G, penicillin V or phenoxymethyl penicillin. Second one, semi-synthetic penicillins. First class, penicillinase resistant penicillins. Penicillinase resistant penicillins means these are the penicillins which can be degraded by enzyme like that is penicillinase or beta lactamase. Example, cloxacillin, oxacillin, methicillin. Aminopenicillins, ampicillin, amoxicillin. Carboxypenicillins, carbanicillin, ticarcillin. Uridopenicillins, azolocillin, mesolocillin, piperacillin. And last, miscellaneous, acidocillin, cunicillin. This is the sub classification of your penicillins. First drug, benzyl penicillin. Now this is the structure of your benzyl penicillin. If you see the structure properly, say I have given the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now this is the uniform method of structuring. तुम्ही कोणत्याही प्रकारचं रिसर्च करू नका की सल्फरला पहिला पोझिशन का दिलंय, नायट्रोजनला फोर्थ का आहे, अमाइड ग्रुपला 6 का दिलंय, डबल बॉन्ड कार्बोनिल ग्रुपला 7 पोझिशन का दिले. नो, इट इज अ युनिफॉर्म फॉर्म ऑफ नंबरिंग the structure of penicillin which has been accepted universally. Therefore, in the same way, you have to give the numbering to the structure of benzyl penicillin or any structure belonging to the class of penicillins. Now, if you see the structure properly, say at the 6th position, what is present? Second position, this is your phenyl ring is present. हा जो सेकंड पोझिशन त्याला काय फिनिल रिंग प्रेझेंट आहे आणि रिमेनिंग स्ट्रक्चर काय, रिमेनिंग इट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ऍसिटा अमाइडो. हा जो काही पार्ट आहे दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ युअर ऍसिटा अमाइडो. त्यामुळे आपण काय म्हणतो 6 इन ब्रॅकेट 2 या ऍसिडा अमाइडोच्या सेकंड पोझिशनला फिनिल रिंग प्रेझेंट आहे त्यामुळे आपण म्हणतो 2 फिनिल दॅन द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ऍसिडा अमाइडो. आणि हे जे काही रिमेनिंग स्ट्रक्चर आहे This is the structure of your penicillinic acid. Therefore, the chemical name of benzyl penicillin or penicillin G, it is 6 in bracket 2-phenyl acetoamidopenicillinic acid. See, हा जो पार्ट आहे, हा जो 6 पोझिशनला प्रेझेंट आहे, हा जो फर्स्ट पार्ट आहे, दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ युअर ॲसिटामाइडो. ॲसिटामाइडोला ज्यावेळेस मी सब नंबरिंग देतो, तर दिस इज युअर 1 अँड दिस इज युअर 2. मग सेकंड पोझिशनला काय प्रेझेंट आहे? इन द सेकंड पोझिशन फिनिल रिंग इज प्रेझेंट, therefore I call it as 2-phenyl. हा पूर्ण ग्रुप कोणत्या पोझिशनला प्रेझेंट आहे? इट इज प्रेझेंट ॲट द 6th पोझिशन, therefore 2-phenyl acetoamido. आणि हे जे काही रिमेनिंग स्ट्रक्चर आहे, this is the structure of your penicillinic acid. Therefore, this basic structure I have written in the last, that is penicillinic acid. If you see the properties, it is white crystalline powder. It is very soluble in water, practically insoluble in chloroform, in ether and in liquid paraffin. Uses: it is used to treat abscess, syphilis, gonorrhea, pharyngitis, pneumonia, scarlet fever, meningitis. Meningitis means it is a disorder which is related with surrounding membrane of brain and spinal cord. Tetanus, diphtheria, etc. In all these diseases, we can use benzyl penicillin. Stability storage, which is important for your exam point of view. The stability of benzyl penicillin, it depends upon moisture content. If the moisture content is less than 0.5%, that is 0.5%, then at a room temperature, benzyl penicillin is stable for 2 to 3 years. But if this moisture content is increased or moisture content present is more than 0.5%, then benzyl penicillin is unstable at room temperature. It should be stored in tightly closed tightly closed containers in a cool and dry place. Official preparation: benzyl penicillin injection IPBP, that is available in sodium or potassium salt form. Procaine benzyl penicillin injection IPBP, having a duration of action 12 to 24 hours. Fortified procaine benzyl penicillin injection, which is official in your IP and BP, having a duration of action more than 24 hours. Brand names: Pentid, that is a famous trade name or brand name of benzyl penicillin. Now benzathine penicillin. Now benzathine penicillin is also one of the important official preparation of benzyl penicillin, having a duration of action for 2 to 3 weeks. Properties: it is white crystalline powder, odorless. It is slightly soluble in ethanol, very slightly soluble in chloroform, in water, practically insoluble in ether. Uses: same as under benzyl penicillin. Official preparation, before that, stability storage condition. If you store benzathine penicillin at a room temperature and in a dry state, it is going to retain the potency for a period of 5 years if protected from moisture. It is also affected by light, therefore stored in tightly closed light resistant containers at a temperature not more than 25 degrees Celsius. Official preparation: benzathine penicillin injection IPVP, benzathine penicillin tablet IP, fortified benzathine penicillin injection IP. Brand names Longacillin, Pendidur, this your trade names or brand names of benzathine penicillin. Next drug, phenoxymethyl penicillin, or it is also known as penicillin V. Now if you see the structure properly, as we have seen the previous structure, this is the basic skeleton which I have selected. I have given the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is the structure of your penicillinic acid. This is the basic skeleton which I have considered for giving your IUPAC or chemical name. This is your penicillinic acid. At 6th position, this is the structure of your acetamide. I have given the sub numbering because a complicated substitute group is present at 6th position. Therefore, I have given sub numbering 1, 2. At 2nd position, the group which is present, that is the structure of your phenoxy. हा जो acetamide सेकंड पोजिशन ला जो ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है, that is named as phenoxy. This is your acetamide. This is your acetamide. हा पूर्ण ग्रुप कोणत्या पोझिशनला प्रेजेंट? It is present at the 6th position. Therefore, this is your 6. मग केमिकल नेम काय झाला? 6 in bracket 2-phenoxyacetamide, close the bracket, and your basic structure, that is your penicillinic acid. Properties: it is white crystalline powder, it is freely soluble in ethanol, practically insoluble in chloroform and in ether, stability, storage and uses same as under benzyl penicillin. Official preparation: phenoxypenicillin injection, official in your IP and BP. Brand names: Dipane, Pentitriad, Tristapen V. These are your trade names or brand names of your phenoxymethyl penicillin, or it is known as penicillin V. Next drug, that is your ampicillin. You can pause the video for 2 minutes and see the structure properly and try to find out the chemical name. In this structure also, I have considered the same skeleton as a basic one, that is your penicillinic acid. I have given the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This substitute group is present at 6th position. 6व्या पोझिशनला जो सबस्टिट्यूट ग्रुप प्रेझेंट आहे तो कोणता ग्रुप प्रेझेंट आहे, तो मला आता फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. सी, हा जो ग्रुप आहे हा ग्रुप कोणता आहे? ऍसिटामाइड. मग ऍसिटामाइडो ग्रुपला मी परत सब नंबरिंग दिलं. दिस इज युअर फर्स्ट पोझिशन, दिस इज युअर सेकंड पोझिशन. मग सेकंड पोझिशनला दोन ग्रुप प्रेझेंट. एक ग्रुप म्हणजे काय? फिनिलचं स्ट्रक्चर प्रेझेंट आहे सेकंड पोझिशनला, आणि खाली काय प्रेझेंट आहे? अमाइनो ग्रुप प्रेझेंट आहे. काय प्रेझेंट आहे? अमाइनो ग्रुप प्रेझेंट आहे. इथे जे खाली केमिकल नेम दिले, that is your incorrect one. The correct chemical name should be 6 in bracket 2-amino 2-phenyl acetamido, close the bracket, and in the last it will be penicillinic acid. That is your chemical name of ampicillin. Properties: it occurs as white crystalline powder, sparingly soluble in water, soluble in dilute solutions of acids and alkali hydroxides, practically insoluble in ethanol, in chloroform and in ether. Stability, storage: it is affected by air, it should be stored in tightly closed containers. Uses: it is used to treat respiratory tract infections, urinary tract infections, gonorrhea, meningitis, enteric infections, septicemia, etc. Official preparation: ampicillin injection IPVP, ampicillin tablet IPVP, ampicillin capsule IPVP, ampicillin mixture IPVP. Brand names: Ampicillin, Rosucillin, etc. Then the next drug, that is carbapenem. Properties: it is white or slightly yellowish white powder, odorless. It is freely soluble in water, soluble in ethanol, practically insoluble in chloroform and in ether. Stability: storage: it is affected by moisture and light, therefore stored in tightly closed light resistant containers at a temperature not more than 25 degrees Celsius. Official preparation: carbapenem injection, which is official near IP and BP. Uses: same as under ampicillin. Brand name: Carbapain, Carbaline, etc. And the last drug in the class of penicillin is cloxacillin. Cloxacillin occurs as white crystalline powder. It is freely soluble in water and in methanol, soluble in ethanol, slightly soluble in chloroform. Stability: storage: it is affected by air and light, therefore stored in tightly closed light resistant containers at a temperature not exceeding 25 degrees Celsius. Uses: it is used in treatment of respiratory tract infections, urinary tract infections, meningitis, septicemia, bone and joint infections, etc. Official preparation: cloxacillin capsule, cloxacillin injection, cloxacillin syrup, official in IPBP, cloxacillin elixir, which is official near British Pharmacopoeia. Thank you.